Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I am going to do a makeup look for you guys. I know I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial for so long. In today's video, I am going to create a beautiful eye makeup look for you guys, a beautiful makeup tutorial for you guys with some new makeup products. Yes, I'm going to try out few new makeup products in today's video and I'm really excited to try them out. So yeah, if you're interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I always do before I start with any kind of makeup look, I need to tie my hair back. Also, I was thinking of filming this video with a white background, but this white background is very boring and it's like a normal white background. But I just thought of purchasing this hanging leaves kind of thing for decoration from Amazon. So I purchased this and with a fairy light, which I think this one is from Sugar Cosmetics because they sent me their highlighter PR package and it came with this fairy light. So yeah, great idea. First thing that I am going to do before I apply my foundation is I am going to moisturize my skin. Obviously, this is a very compulsory step. If you take care of your skin, if you use good healthy skincare products before you apply your makeup, your skin will look good. I always mention this. Moisturizer that I am going to use in today's video is this particular product right over here. This is from Bellflower. This is a Korean brand and this one is the Glowing Face Serum. And I am currently using this particular product. This is what it looks like. The packaging is so cute and so beautiful. This is a Korean brand, as I already mentioned. So I am just going to take a little bit. And this is a glowing cream. I also have their brightening serum with me, but I'm not going to use it in today's video. I'm just going to use the moisturizing cream. How glowing my skin is looking right now. Wow, this is beautiful. So for my foundation, I am going to use this foundation right over here. This one is from Chambor and you guys know this brand is so good. This one is the Enriched Revitalizing Foundation and this is in the shade 302, which is Enriched Natural. And this is what the foundation actually looks like. I really like this kind of packaging. You guys know a pump packaging is a must. And yeah, this also contains SPF 18 in it and this is a pretty long wear foundation. So I'm using it for the first time. So I'm just going to take few amount of it. I don't really like using too much foundation. Like my skin is absolutely glowing, not because of the face cream but also because of the foundation. So this is what my base makeup is looking right now. This is only foundation and underneath I have that glowing cream from Bellflower. Rest of my makeup I'm gonna do afterwards, after I do my eye makeup. So for my eye makeup look, I don't have a new eyeshadow palette. This is from You Can Be. It's kind of new but not that much. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. This is a beautiful eyeshadow palette, especially for makeup artists. Like if you are a freelancer or a makeup artist, you can just definitely go with this eyeshadow palette. This palette is really beautiful. I think today I am going to create a sunset kind of eye makeup look because I have a newly launched product with me today. Let's get started. I am going to use this beautiful purple kind of shade right over here and I am going to use this as my transition color. So yeah, I'm just going to use a brush like this. This is kind of a fluffy brush, but it's really good for transition colors. Place the color right over here. I'm going to take a smaller brush like this, particular orange shade right over here, and I'm gonna mix it up with this purple right over here. So as you guys can see, I am going to like mix this two color. I'm gonna start right from here and with slight circular motion I am going to blend these two together. Purple color, and I'm again going to mix it together. Like orange, but it's not orange, it's a mustard yellow color, and I'm gonna mix it together with this bright yellow right over here. Is this color right over here, and I'm gonna mix it up with the orange. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Miss Clair concealer, and in today's video I also don't have a new concealer, so I'm gonna use the Miss Clair one. Use a brush like this to cut out my crease. So this is what my crease is looking right now. I'm so happy with how perfectly my cut crease is looking right now, and I'm just going to use it right over here to smudge this area. Okay guys, so this is what my eyes are looking right now, and I am loving it. Now I am going to show you guys the star of the show, which is this particular product right over here. This one is from Blue Heaven, and this one is their liquid eyeshadow. This looks very similar to Swiss Beauty one, but this one is their newly launched eyeshadow, and this is for 175 rupees, and this is in the shade 01. Yeah, so I'm just going to swatch this out for you guys. It's a very beautiful bright yellow. Like, look at this. Oh my god, this looks so good. I use this inside of my crease, so yeah. Hey guys, so this is what my eye makeup is looking right now. I'm just going to apply a little bit of eyeliner, not a black eyeliner. I'm going to apply a newly launched eyeliner from Sugar Cosmetics. This one is in the shade Coffee Shop, and this is what it looks like. Such a beautiful shade. I'm just going to swatch it. Okay, so this is what my eye makeup is looking right now, and I am absolutely loving it. I'm gonna do my base, and for that I'm gonna do my concealer, blush, bronzer, highlighter, lipstick, and I'm done. Also my lower lash line as well. So let's start with the concealer. I'm gonna use the same concealer, the Miss Clair concealer, because I don't have a new concealer for today's video. This concealer is really good, especially to cut out your crease and stuff. This concealer is really good. Set my concealer, because it's really important to set your concealer. I'm gonna use this compact powder from Auric. This is what it looks like, and this is in the shade Ivory Touch. I'm also going to set my entire T-zone. Okay, then for my bronzer, I am going to use a bronzer from Rimmel London, and I really like the tone of this bronzer. It's really suitable for Indian skin tone. And it's really light. If you want to use a bronzer for everyday use, you can definitely try this out. For my blush, I have a new blush from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Salmon Superstar, and this is what the blush looks like. This color is so beautiful. My highlighter, I have another product from Sugar Cosmetics. It's this one right over here. This one is their jelly highlighter, and this is in the shade, I think, Peach Pioneer. Yes, this is in the shade 02. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to take too much because this is a pretty intense highlighter. I'm just going to use it right over here. Oh my god, as you guys can see, so good. And it's not at all patchy or something like that. It's really blendable. Give your skin such a beautiful glow. Like, this is intense, but this will give you a beautiful glow. So I really want to use a nude shade, but I don't know, I just also want to experiment with some color. I have this color from PAC Cosmetic. It's 20 and I don't know how this is going to look. Okay, so I'm just going to go with this color from PAC Cosmetics. This one is a retro matte gloss. This one is a retro matte gloss, and this is in the shade Passion Pout. I really like this color. Let's see how it goes with this look. Let's see. So this is what my makeup is looking right now, and I'm so happy with how it actually turned out. And the lip color is also looking good with this makeup look. If you have any other options for lipstick, you can definitely try it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I really enjoyed doing this because after so long I filmed a makeup tutorial for you guys, and filming a makeup tutorial makes me so happy. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. This is the finished look, and this is what my makeup is looking right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching guys. I love you guys so much. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video.